This is the adorable Downy. She is just a puppy, and she's a mix between a Pomeranian and a Chihuahua. This is her first professional grooming appointment.
You're not gonna like this. You're not gonna like it. I'm gonna turn the water on. Are we gonna be calm? Are we gonna be zen? Or are we gonna panic? Let's find out. Good girl. I'm gonna let it warm up. Where'd you get that mask from? Hey, I gotta get you wet. Oop. Oop. Good girl. It's actually not bad. Not too shabby. There we go. Very good. Okay, this is Duck. You're about the same size as her. Good girl. Aren't you licking me? Good girl. Oof, your little whines. No crying. No crying. You're a confident little pup. Oop. You gonna shake again? Your little whines are so pitiful. Poor little sad girl. It's your first bath. Can you believe it?
What a good girl is you're being.
She's being really good. Okay, are we gonna handle the dryer okay? Good girl.
Now hold on to your leashes, folks, because Downy's got a big announcement. Mark your calendars for January 26th, because she's strutting her stuff in my fabulous charity pet fashion show fundraiser for the Niagara SPCA. She's counting on all you animal lovers to show up and gush over her fantastic outfits. If you haven't snagged your tickets yet, hop on over to girlwithadogs.com and grab them before they vanish.
Sniff. You have like no hairs. Your adult coat is growing in. Okay, you gonna let me trim your paw pads? Oh, you big whiny baby. You made it. You're such a good girl. Look how cute. I'm not touching those ears. I think they're so cute.
If you liked this video, don't forget to hit that follow or subscribe button to support more complimentary grooms just like Downy's.
Look. Treat. Good girl. You want another one? Good girl. You want more?
Yes.
Thank you all so much for watching. And yes, she was named after Gord Downy.
Good girl. Good girl. Okay, say bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye.
Bye-bye.